B-2 bomber, the epitome of American air supremacy, was once again in action to destroy Iranian nuclear sites. They flew from the Whiteman Air Force Base in Missouri, United States, refueled several times mid-air, flying continuously and struck targets undetected. Operation Midnight Hammer marked the B-2 Spirit's largest operational strike ever, and the second longest B-2 operation ever flown since 2001. It was airborne for 37 hours, but flying for long durations without a stopover may seem like a challenge, but the stealth bomber is like a flying hotel armed with bombs. The B-2 Spirit is a fifth-generation stealth bomber that first flew in 1989 and was operationally deployed for the first time in 1999 during the Kosovo War. It follows the legacy of aircraft that are tasked to fly long-range missions for reconnaissance and strategic bombing. B-2 is different from its predecessors, like the B-1 Lancer, B-52 Stratofortress, F-117 Nighthawks, etc. The B-2 Spirit has bunks, microwave ovens, and a storage rack full of snacks. Food on board includes candy bars, cereal, sandwiches, milk and beverages, and toilets for the crew to rest during their long-range mission. The B-2 usually has a crew of 2 pilots who fly the aircraft. During Operation Midnight Hammer, the 2 pilots were fed, had all the amenities to conduct a mission that lasted for 37 hours. Sometimes there's a third pilot on standby on the aircraft who rotates with one of the pilots.